Yo, great morning. You already know it's your boy Rob at Rob Details. We're about to go wash the homie's truck. We're ready to roll. Oh, he's in the vlog once we get there right now. He stays around the area, so it ain't too far. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we just arrived to the client's house. As you can see right here, the Ford F-150. That's the one we're going to be working on right now. We're just going to do a basic wash and vacuum, clean up the wheel barrels, clean up the wheels, tire walls. It's lifted. We're about to start rinsing her down, and there comes the owner out right there. But yeah, we're about to start touching her up right now. I'm gonna get everything ready. So all right, now that the vehicle is on, the lights are on, you can see everything. Here's the F-150, but we will be working on. Let's look at the interior of this thing. It's not really in bad condition, but we are about to leave her looking even better. I just forgot how to shift. Oh, this is how you pop it out. Look, this is the crazy part about this. Look, what in the world? That's crazy, huh? I've never seen a truck that you can store its little thing right here. Like, that's crazy. But I forgot there was a push start. I turned it on with the remote. Look at this big screen. It's such a like big, like a truck. Like, it's crazy. I never even imagined there's like a big ass screen like that for a truck. But we're about to start working on this vehicle because I need to leave early and be at another client's house at 7 in the morning, y'all. Sorry about that. I was moving the truck. But yeah, guys, I was in the vlogger now. I'm about to start working on this thing and rinsing her out. This truck is beautiful though. Love it. It's very tall, lifted, and trucks are just amazing because you can literally get everywhere without having a hassle. Nothing like that. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Look at the reverse camera on this thing. It's insane. Look at this monster. We're about to start rinsing her down. You see all the roosters already? They're already hauling bean. See all the roosters are already being all noisy with their loud. Alright, y'all, so now the vehicle is already brushed out. Just need to rinse her out, clean up the wheel barrels, like dry them up, dry up the vehicle, drop the tire walls, armor on the tires, and this vehicle will be looking fantabulous outside. See that? F-150. Sheesh. This vehicle's already looking amazing. Check out how the paint looks. That soap just sitting pretty. But this vehicle is amazing, and we're about to bring her back to life. A beautiful piece of artwork. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all, so vehicle is all ready to go. Look at that paint. Sheesh. That thing looks fabulous, brand new. Got the armor on the tires, wheels cleaned out. This thing looks beautiful. So now we gotta go to the next client's house. I'm about to stop by and grab some brunch really quick. We gotta go next to the next client's house and get some grub. It's gonna be another truck like this in a Camry, so stay tuned. I was in the vlog now. I almost forgot to tell you guys, let's check out the interior. Look at that big screen. Everything's just clean. The cup holders, the door handle right there, a little shifter. I meant the shifter handle, I said the door handle, my bad, y'all. But it's ready to roll. Let's hit the next one. Yo. So I got myself some McDonald's. I was gonna stop at a Burger King, but I took the wrong exit. So I got myself some hash brown and then a sausage McMuffin. So I'm about to chomp that up right now, and I gotta be there at the second client's house for now at 7 in the morning. It's about to be there. It's like 10 more minutes, so I'm about to just eat. I would have showed you guys me eating like I always do, but I'm kind of in a rush now, y'all. So stay tuned. Hours in the vlog once we start getting those other vehicles detailed. I have an hour approximately for each vehicle, so that's gonna take pretty time. Regularly I take an hour and 30 minutes for each vehicle, so I'm gonna have to try my best to kind of hurry up and leave the vehicles like I always do, looking amazing. So stay tuned. Hours in the vlog now, y'all. I don't mean to sound rude or anything, but don't tell me that vehicle in front of me doesn't look like it's about to lean over, like tip over. Like, what in the world? All right, y'all, so this is like the nastiest orange juice I've tried in McDonald's. Like, this orange juice is not even that good. It tastes like watered down. Like, you can even tell. Look at, what in the world? I'm about to go complain to them right now and tell them to give me my free money back. Like, what? Look at this thing. That's weird, y'all. It's literally watered down, but it's okay. We're about to arrive right now. I was in the vlog once we start touching up the vehicles. It's a Camry. Other vehicle is F-150, the same one we worked on right now. Stay tuned. A detailer's best friend. If you know, you'll know. So I already rinsed down the vehicle. There's a Camry I'm working on right now. See it right there. We're about to touch up the wheels now. All right, y'all, so vehicle is scrubbed. Now I gotta rinse the wheels, dry up the whole thing. And after I'm finished drying it, armor on the tires and start doing the interior, y'all. All right, y'all, so y'all can see that the Camry, this Toyota Camry is A1, the sauce. Wheels are ready to go, armor on the tires. Windows looking A1. Sheesh. It's all clean, all the plastics, cup holders inside. All ready to roll. It's a beautiful car. Looks a whole lot different now. Damn. Yeah, guys, tap in. Quality at its finest. You guys already know. We be working on another vehicle right now, a truck. I'm pretty sure it might be a different truck because there's one right here parked. I don't know if it's that one. I just talked to my client right now. All right, y'all, so this is a second vehicle we're gonna be currently working on right now. It's the same one that I did like in the morning, but we're about to just do the basic wash and vacuum. We're gonna clean up the wheelbarrows, wheels, clean up all right there, all the metal, all the plastics, and then just start vacuuming up everything. Interior's not too bad, as you can see. Just gonna clean out all this, take out all the plastics, and then start touching up all the interior, windows, all that good stuff. But yeah, we're about to bring this vehicle back to life, so let's start hitting it and making it happen, you know. Tires right before, and we'll hit up the afters. All right, y'all, I know I didn't really get to show you guys a lot, but armor on the tires, wheels are cleaned out. You see right there, vehicles as shiny as can be, brand new, fresh out the lot. Tap in. You already know. We have another client right now. I was supposed to be there at 9, but it's already 9:15. So I did tell him, I informed him I was gonna be a little bit late. I need to get gas. I need to get a little bit more water. And yeah, vehicle is ready to roll. Brand new and clean. You see that? Sheesh. Look at those tires, those wheels. But yeah, guys, vehicle is ready to go. Tap in, quality only. All right, y'all, so this is the vehicle we worked on yesterday. Vehicle outside is already clean. Had to do the vacuuming, clean the windows, all the plastics inside the vehicle, but now the vehicle is looking brand new. As you can see, it was a big mess, but now she's clean. And now we are gonna go do the neighbor's truck, that white one right there. So I'll do the vlog now once we start rinsing that vehicle out and start washing it. All right, y'all, so the vehicle is fully rinsed. Now I just gotta dry up the exterior, the wheelbarrows, the wheels, tires, and then start doing the inside, plastics, cup holders, vacuum, windows, all that good stuff. But she's already looking better than before, y'all. All right, y'all, so I just vacuumed up, cleaned the plastics, the mats in the back. Just gotta clean the windows, the back windows, vacuumed everything, clean all the plastics up. I gotta put the mats back, finish drying the mats, clean the windows, and then the truck is basically A1. Look at those wheelbarrows, ready to roll. Quality matters. Sheesh. Tap in. I already know. Sheesh. Look at that outcome. Look at those wheelbarrows. Brand new. Fresh out the lot. I already know. Gotta have your wheelbarrows looking like that. The truck is basically A1. So this is gonna be the end of today's vlog, y'all. Y'all already know. Keep moving forward. Keep striving for success. Never give up. And remember why you started, y'all. Just like how TJ Hunt says it. Tomorrow, I don't know if I watch this, but if they're lined up here, you know, there's always gonna be videos on videos on videos no matter what, y'all. So that's the truck. Looking amazing. Stay tuned for more.